Yes, now let us see the third approximation. So for the third approximation, these are the values of xyz which we have to use. So third approximation, what is the values, what are the values required? Y and z. What are the new values of y and z? These two. So we have to use these two values. Put y is equal to minus 1.99843, z is equal to 3.00979 in equation 4. Therefore, third approximation of x is equal to 1 by 10 to 9 minus 2 into what is y, minus 1.99843 minus z, minus 3.00979. So if you evaluate this, that comes to be 0.99871. 0.99871. So this is the latest value or new value of x which we have to use further. Similarly, what are the values required to calculate y, x and z? This is the latest value of z. We have to use this. Put x is equal to 0.99871. Z, this is the latest value, new value. So no new value is there, 00979. So where in equation 5. Therefore, third approximation of y is equal to 1 by 20. Substitute these values, this and this value in y. So we get minus 44 minus 2 into x value. X value latest is 0.99871 minus 2z. Minus 2 into z value is 3.00979. So with this, what is y? It is minus 1.99889. 99,889. 1 minus 1.99889. So now these are the new values of x and y. So now similarly, third approximation of z. Third approximation of z, we need x and y. These are the two values to be substituted. New values are these two. So z is equal to 1 by 10, 22 plus 2 into x value is 0.99871 y value minus 3 into minus 1.99889. That is the value. So if you evaluate, this comes to be 2.99941. 2.99941. So this is 2.99941. So this is the third approximation. Now if we see the fourth approximation, so minimum we have to perform, if it is not mentioned, we have to perform 3 or 4 iterations. See the convergence. You can get the solution of this system of equations in Cal C, but you should not give that as answer. It is only for your verification purpose. So by that, you have to see how the root is converging nearer to the exact solution. So by this, what we can understand, 0.999 means the solution is 1. Minus 1.99889 means minus 2. 2.999 means the root is 3, nearer to 3. So similarly, now we perform fourth approximation. For the fourth approximation, these are the 3 new values, excluding the new values which we get. So fourth iteration. So what is the value we have to put in order to get x, y and z? These two are the latest values of y and z. Put y is equal to minus 1.99889 and z is equal to 2.99941. 2.99941. Therefore, fourth approximation of x is equal to 1 by 10 to 9 minus 2 into y minus 1.99889 minus z minus 2.9941. So if we calculate, that comes to be 0.99984. 0.99984. So almost it is converging to 1. Next, similarly, fourth approximation of y is 1 by 20 minus 44. So latest value of x is, this is the value, 0.99984 minus 2z. So this is the new value of z, minus 2 into 2.99941. So this is equal to minus 2.0004. So almost it is equal to minus 2. Similarly, fourth approximation of z is equal to 1 by 10. So the value of x, new value of x is this one. So z value, y value we got it as minus 2.0004. 22 plus 2 into x value. X value is 0.99984 minus 3y. This is y value. So just looking above, you can substitute those values. So if you put it in table form, it will be easy to see the convergence. What is y? Minus 2.004. So z value is 2.99998, means almost it is equal to 3. So if you have it in tabular form, you can see the values whether they are nearer to the previous approximations or any deviation, so that you can go back and check the answer. If there is any correction, you can make it. So now we can stop here because it is minus 2.0004 minus 0.9999 is almost equal to 1. So one thing what is that you can do is, in Calc you can feed these equations and you can obtain the solution, so that you can give the, you can check your approximations whether they are nearer to your real or exact solutions of the given system of equations. See the problem once. So at the end we write the conclusion. Therefore x is equal to, last values whatever we have we will write 0.99984, y is equal to minus 2.0004, z is equal to 2.99998. But we don't write it is 1, minus 2, 3. So we will write the values whatever we get in the approximation, which we stop at the end.